Hi guys, welcome to the part of this video. We are going to be watching how we achieved this, how we joined and everything. Thank you and stay tuned. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and help this community grow. Thank you so much. I'm jumping straight to the joining of the crop top because we already have a video on how to join a short, and it's similar to the joining of a palazzo. I even joined the pocket in that video. So I'm just going to go straight and show you how I joined the top part. I'm starting my joining from the shoulders. I'm going to join the shoulder for the back bodies and the front bodies. Please watch and see how I'm doing it. Sewing is always incredibly fun and it makes me happy, especially the joining part of an outfit, because you get to see the outfit come alive. And yes, I know most of us feel that way sewing mates, because this is our passion and this is what we love to do. Up next, we join our zipper allowance. We arrange it and then we begin to join it. See this machine, wow, it was giving me problem. I didn't even know what was happening until later I discovered that the teeth completely losing. So I kept struggling the way I'm dragging it. So later that I found out. Guys, the stitches you're making now should be a very free stitch. It should be on gather sewing. I did it so that I can go and iron it and have that line, that zipper allowance line of an ironing there, so that it can help me. If you notice, I've already gone to the machine, to the table, and pressed it neatly. Now I'm marking my dart. At the back I marked 4.5 by 10 inches. At the back, that's what I marked. Then I guess at the front I marked 4.5 by 7 inches. When I was done, I went ahead to stitch my dart. If you have any problem with that, please let me know in the comment section and I will explain to you or do a video for you. What I did next was to go to the table and measure the slant down to the neckline at the back, down to the zipper allowance, and then I multiplied it by 2, because instead of going round to do the other side of it, I just multiplied by 2 because we assumed that they are equal. And what I got was around 40 something inches. I added 10 inches to it. And then I'm making a band. This band is 5 inches wide and is 50 inches long, so take note. So I'm going to go ahead and press it so it will sit down well before I attach it to my neck. The next thing, from the end of that slant, I'm going to start adding the band I have made, like so. The way I placed it, please place yours like that. I'm going to be adding the band to it, up onto the neck, up onto the zipper, and I'm going to do it for the other side too, just like that. Guys, when I was done, I took it to the table and gave it a nice press, the band I added. And then I also added the band, the 3 inches band, to the bottom of the crop top. And then now I marked the sides. I took the measurement, the sides. Remember, the bust was the bust we used was 46. 6 divided by 2 gave us 23. And then our waist was 36 and a half. And then when we divide 36 and a half, it's going to be giving us 18.3, and then that's how we marked it. Now I've taken it back to the machine to stitch it down nicely. The next thing we are stitching down is the bottom of the sleeve. Before we add it, we're going to close up that opening there.
The next thing I'm going to be doing is to notch that edge there. That place I'm going to be joining the shoulder to the sleeve. I'm going to notch it there. I'm going to notch the two sides. When I was done notching, I took it to the machine and I started to add my sleeve. I'm attaching my sleeve to it. I did that for the other sleeve as well. Thank you so much for coming this far with me. Thank you for watching this far. Please subscribe, like and share. Please subscribe, I'm begging you. Thank you, and please see you in another video. Here's the outcome though. See how neat and aligned it's looking. I'm going to be weaving the tip of the sleeve. Bye bye, see ya.